Hello everyone, it's Web Guide here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to get free computer science for free. I mean, free Harvard MIT courses where you can get them for free, 100% for free. Right now, one of the major challenges in taking tech courses is actually the expenses, because most courses out there are actually very expensive and a lot of people could not afford it. So right now in this video, I just want to show you a free legal way to get all of any computer science course for free. I mean, you're going to learn from the best tutors. I mean, most of these tutors are even better than the one in your school, because I took some of these courses and I was really amazed. It was actually top notch. Without wasting much of our time, let me just go straight into the tutorial. I will drop the link of this website in the description below, so just check it out. And also, before we continue, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and then you can always stay notified whenever we post any video or any tutorial like this one. So go to this website, go to github.com/OSSU. This stands for Open Source Society University, I think. Yeah. So actually, this Open Source Society University are the collection of like some amazing courses. You have computer science courses. When you open this, you are going to see the full, everything you need to know about computer science. And also this, you are going to know everything you need to know about data science. For this also, if you're into bioinformatics, you can get everything you need to know about bioinformatics. But this, it is the same thing as this computer science, but actually it is for Brazilians. So you can see Brazilian, and probably you are from Brazil and you want a course in your native language, then you can just open this. And this is math. If you're probably going into mathematics, you can take this course. And this is also Brazilian. So let us take computer science. So that is our major emphasis in this video, computer science. So when you open this, just go and you're going to see the curriculum and everything you need to learn. Just read all these things, just read everything through. Then also the duration, you can see it's possible to finish within about 2 years if you plan carefully. All you need to do is a very good time plan and your dedication, because most people do not really take free courses seriously. But if you actually know what you are doing and if you are ready to learn, this is a perfect course for you. I promise you, yeah. And you are going to learn even more than people that are studying computer sciences in school, because you are going to learn from the best lecturers, the best tutors in some of the greatest universities like Havard and some other universities like that. So this is the curriculum. You can see the first thing here is the prerequisites. You can actually check for the prerequisites. So you can see, assume students are taking high school maths, algebra, geometry, pre-calculus, and advanced CS assumes that the student had already taken the entirety of core CS, which is knowledgeable enough. So these are the prerequisites, and once you meet these prerequisites, then we are good to go. Note that this is not a major necessity, but it is advisable that you meet all these prerequisites so that you won't have any issue when you are learning them, because you need to at least have some knowledge about maths, algebra, geometry, and some other things like that. Then you get the intro to programming. Then this is it. So this is the duration actually. And if you want to chat me, ask any question, this is the Discord server. Just click here and it will direct you to the Discord server, so you can ask any question and you can see people, experienced people that are going to answer your question. If you have any issue while you are learning or you have any questions, join this Discord server. Ask any question about this programming. So let me open this in a new tab and show you everything you need to know about it. So this is it, Introduction to Programming, CS50P. And this is the link. Once you click this, so it will direct you to this Havard website. Just follow the procedures, and then just follow the procedures. You can see how to take this course. And if you're a teacher, I want to teach this course, click here and then get a license and you can teach the course. Okay, these are the course materials, functions, variables, everything you need to know about Python it is right here. And I mean, this is very amazing. I mean, you get to learn the functions, variables, conditions, loops, exceptions, libraries, unit tests, file input, outputs, regular expression. This contains everything. When I actually learned Python, I used a lot of money to learn it. But here you are getting it for free, including how to install it, why Python. This is just like a full course. So the next one, and this is estimated to take you about 10 weeks if you are going to use 10 hours a week. And like I said, it takes a lot of dedication. So you need a lot of dedication. And after you've completed this, then you move to introduction of computer science. Now, this will take approximately 9 weeks, and you need to put an effort of 15 hours per week. And if you do not meet the prerequisite, you can actually take this algebra course right here. Or probably you know nothing about algebra, can click this link and then you get to take the course right here. You can see this contains all the syllabus, everything you need to know and learn about algebra. Okay, so that is if you don't know anything about it, but if you have knowledge about it before, then you don't really need this. And just go ahead to this course and take this course, which is going to take you about 9 weeks. You can see your instructor when I mentioned that they are going to be experts and very good professors. You can see 2 professors, 1 doctor. That they are going to teach you this. Someone like Professor John is actually a lecturer at MIT, and also Professor Eric. And I've took their course before. It was amazing. Just go through the lecture videos and watch all the videos. And after watching the videos, check for the lecture slides and codes, do the assignments, ask questions, and watch the solutions. This is just so amazing. So after you're done with that, then we go right next into core CS, which is one of the major things in this course. So right now, you are now getting started. And then we can see the systematic program design. This is a textbook. Then programming languages, you get then programming languages part A, part B, and part C. And also you get to learn object-oriented design, design pattern, software architecture. These are all the courses I did in the university. All these courses I did them in the university. So you can see all the topics covered: functional programming, design for testing, program requirements, common design patterns, unit testing, OO design, static typing, a lot more. So when you are done with this core programming, then you move into the core maths, which you're going to take the calculus class and also mathematics for computer science. All these courses will turn you into a full-blown tech savvy. So these are other ones, the missing semester for your CS education. And also for the core system, you have some courses like building a model computer, and you have a lot of topics covered. So this is where you can check the covered topics. Then we have the core theory topics covered. So you can see all of them. You also get to learn machine learning. I think I saw it just now. I saw machine learning. Yeah, machine learning, computer graphics. This is everything you need to know about computer science. After you finish the core CS courses, then you move into advanced CS, which involves the advanced programming, advanced system, advanced theory, and some other things like that. So, and also you can see the duration, and the effort. All you need to do is a very good timetable and dedication. The only issue is that you're not going to be offered certificate, because all these courses doesn't come with free certificates, but those courses are for free, but their certificates are not for free. If you want certificates, so you are just going to make a payment and they are going to give you your certificate. And also, I want to thank all the contributors of this course. As you can see, there are about 139 of them that contributed to compiling this course over the years. And, they did a really good job. Over the last 10 years, they've been working together to compile everything in this course. And also, if you want to get individual courses, individual computer science courses, just go to edX.org. So this is where you can get free individual computer science courses. And you can see some of the top universities that you are going to be learning from MIT, Havard, University of California, and a lot more. And you can take any of these courses. For example, this artificial intelligence. This is actually a course from MIT, and they are giving you for free. And this is a course from Harvard. And also, you can obtain the certificate. But like I said earlier, the certificates are not for free. Yeah, that's just the only challenge. But if you don't have the money to obtain the certificates yet, you can just take their courses, and then when you have the money, you can just get their certificates. There are like thousands of courses here. You can see more than 4,000 courses. Just search for any course you want. For example, you can see their most popular course, trending data. You can learn data science, can learn AI. You can even learn courses outside of computer science like finance. If you want to know anything about finance, you can take the course. You see corporate finance and some other things like that. They have a lot of subjects, architecture. That's it. How you can get free courses without any stress at all. Just go to this website, take the courses, and be devoted into learning. Put all your energy and be motivated to study these courses. If this video has helped you, kindly click the like button and smash the subscribe button also, so that you won't miss out from our next videos, our next tutorial videos. And we are going to be posting some amazing tutorials this day. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching. So see you in the next video.